This is Shreya and welcome to News World. India's COVID tally raised past 62 lakh on Wednesday with 80,472 infections being reported in the last 24 hours, while the number of recoveries surged to 51 lakh 87,825, pushing the recovery rate to 83.33% according to the Union Health Ministry data. Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra were stopped by police in Greater Noida while they were marching towards Hathras to meet the family of the Dalit gang rape victim. They were later released by the police. Meanwhile, the Hathras district administration has imposed Section 144 in the district. A custom-made B777 aircraft, which will be used to fly the President, Vice President and the Prime Minister, is going to arrive from the US in India today, said government officials. The plane was scheduled to be delivered by aircraft manufacturer Boeing to Air India in August, but the delivery was delayed due to technical reasons, the officials noted. Senior officials of the national carrier has reached the US during the first half of August to receive the plane from Boeing, the officials said. This is Shreya and welcome to News World. The Narcotics Control Bureau has almost given a clean chit to actresses Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan and celebrity manager Karishma Prakash in their ongoing drug probe that surfaced during the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Meanwhile, the latest reports suggest that the All India Institute of Medical Science AIIMS team has ruled out poisoning as a possible cause of the late actor's death. On the other hand, the Bombay High Court on Tuesday reserved its judgment on the bail applications of Rhea Chakraborty and her brother Shouvik Chakraborty, who were arrested by the NCB in connection with the drug probe. Karni Sena leader Surjit Singh Rathod, who was present at Mumbai's Cooper Hospital on June 15, has joined a BJP leader to make an explosive claim that Rhea Chakraborty was at Sushant Singh Rajput's residence a night before he died.
जी बिल्कुल। मैंने अभी पहले भी अपनी हिंदी चैनल पे मैंने बताया था कि 13 तारीख को रिया चक्रवर्ती सुशांत के घर पे थी। ये बात मुझे सूरज सिंह जी ने बताई थी। मैं जब कुपर हॉस्पिटल गया था 15 तारीख को, तो उसी दिन मुझे सूरज सिंह ने ये बताया था कि 13 तारीख को रात को रिया चक्रवर्ती सुशांत के घर पे ही थी। वो 13 तारीख को रात को ही सुशांत का घर छोड़ के गई थी। सारी वो तो बातें मैंने आपको पहले भी बताई थी, अभी भी बता रहा हूँ। मैंने पहले सब बताया था कि कोऑर्डिनेट पूरा सूरज सिंह कर रहे थे। उन्होंने वो रिया चक्रवर्ती को हॉस्पिटल में बुलाया था, उन्होंने मुझे रिया चक्रवर्ती से मिलाया, उन्होंने मुझे सूरज सिंह जी से, संदीप सिंह से मिलाया, जो संदीप एक संदिग्ध व्यक्ति है, जो पूरा इस केस का मास्टरमाइंड है वो।
Boys, parties, style, fame, glamour, runway, style, fame.
This is Sukriti. Welcome to News World. Today's fashion update. 5 gorgeous mirrorwork lehengas worn by Bollywood stars. Every festive or wedding season, we keep seeing our favorite Bollywood divas playing in ethnic looks. And one trend the B-Town ladies love to flaunt are mirrorwork lehengas. This age-old embroidery technique has become more popular than ever, and Bollywood divas are making a serious case for blingy outfits that feature mirrorwork. From Janhvi Kapoor's breathtaking lehenga to Kareena Kapoor's elegant number, here's a look at 5 gorgeous mirrorwork lehengas worn by these celebs. Kareena made a statement in delicate mirrorwork lehenga. She picked an icy blue lehenga set with embroidery, highlight with mirrorwork. She styled the dupatta over her shoulders and accessorized her look with a diamond choker. Tara made a strong case for this trend in a bright pink lehenga set. Going for a monotone look, Tara styled her heavy mirrorwork lehenga with a matching blouse and plain border dupatta. Moni looked drop-dead gorgeous in this blingy lehenga. She was seen wearing a powder pink ensemble featuring mirrorwork accents, which she styled with a ruffled dupatta. When it came to Bhumi, she picked an intricate mirrorwork lehenga in royal blue color. She styled the lehenga with a heavily embellished blouse and a sheer dupatta. Keeping her makeup minimal, she completed her look with a pair of ethnic earrings. The gorgeous star made a case for a traditional gold lehenga featuring chunky mirrorwork. She styled this flared lehenga with a choli cut blouse and with a green gold dupatta. The best street style from Milan Fashion Week Spring 2021. Like London and New York before it, Milan Fashion Week will include a fidgetal blend of physical, socially distanced runway shows and digital-only experiences. Street style will certainly look different as a result, but not just because the formats are changing. Gucci isn't on the calendar this week, so we'll all miss the exuberant prints and crystal-studded accessories Phil O typically snaps outside the show. In their place, we may see the billowing dresses and color blocks separate of Valentino. Earlier this month, Pierpaolo Piccoli announced he will show his new men's and women's collection in Milan to prioritize the safety of his team and avoid air travel. What else can we expect to see on the street of the Italian fashion capital? You'll have to follow our daily coverage to find out. Our London street style coverage offered a small glimpse of what people are wearing to IRL shows and socially distanced appointments. Masks, comfortable boots, and sneakers and practical layers. Milan may look similar, though the city isn't known for its subdued spirit of pragmatism. Scrolling through our archive of Milan Fashion Week, photos backward from 2020 to 2011 was a reminder of the joy and exuberance we typically find there, even before the streets were awash in Gucci glitter. In so many of these photos, women are smiling, lying.
For more updates, do like, share and subscribe News World and give your valuable comments.